I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disconnect third-party apps from your Discord account using the Discord mobile app. Step 1. Open the Discord mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap U in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. Step 3. Navigate to the account settings section and then tap Connections. Step 4. Find the app you want to disconnect from your Discord account and then tap the X associated with that account. A window opens asking if you want to unlink this app from your Discord account. Step 5. Tap Disconnect. That app will be disconnected from your Discord account immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.